Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your air conditioner's evaporator. As you can see, this indoor unit is super dirty. I'm going to disassemble it and we'll wash those parts which are washable. Let's see closer how dirty is this evaporator. I'm going to disassemble it. Stick around and watch it till the end. I'm going to disconnect these two connectors, one from blade motor, another one is for the switch. Next, there are two screws. I'm going to unscrew them and we'll remove the drain pan. This is the second one I'm going to unscrew. There we go. Now I'm removing the drain pan. It is pretty simple. The blower motor connector is there. We are going to disconnect it as well. Now I'm going to disconnect the ground wire. I need to remove this shield. Give me access so that I can remove the thermostat. There is a screw holding the control unit. I'm going to unscrew as well. Now we can take apart the control unit. There are 4 screws, 2 in this side, the other 2 in the other side. We have to unscrew them so that we can take apart the evaporator from the base. I'm going to unscrew these 2 screws and then we'll remove the evaporator. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm removing the blower motor head cover. Remember, there is a snap latch we need to push. Finally, I'm going to loosen the blower fan screws. Just pull it, the blower fan will come out. Now I'm going to wash those parts can be washed. I have a pressure machine. I already adjusted the water pressure. Whenever you guys washing the evaporator or the outdoor condenser, make sure adjust your water pressure machine's pressure a bit low. Don't wash on high pressure, it will damages the coils. Okay guys, everything looks pretty clean. Now I'm going to reassemble them. Follow me till the end. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. This indoor unit is ready for mounting. Thanks for watching.